Hello guys and welcome back again to this YouTube channel. We'll be discussing the latest trends, insider tips on how to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Pinterest marketing for affiliate links. If you're actually looking for a platform to grow your affiliate marketing business, then I can give you an assurance that you're actually in the right place. Pinterest I consider to be an incredible platform that can actually help you in reaching massive audience. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some insider tips that you won't want to miss. Now, for you to make use of the Pinterest affiliate marketing effectively, there are certain steps that you need to take into consideration. Step number 1, you need to create an attractive profile. So the very first step that you need to create a Pinterest affiliate marketing is to create what is known as an attractive profile. Your profile is more like your storefront. So what you want to do is to make it to be as appealing as possible to your audience. You need to make use of a high quality profile picture that is in line with your own niche. Also add a catchy bio that describes what you do. Also make sure to include relevant keywords inside of your bio and also your profile name. Tip number 2, create strategic boards. One thing you need to know about Pinterest is that it is all about boards amongst other things. Whenever you're actually creating your boards, make sure that they are relevant to your niche in particular and also to your audience. Make use of descriptive titles and then fill out the board descriptions with keywords that are relevant. You can actually create boards based on different categories such as product reviews, lifestyles, tutorials, and much more. The third tip is to optimize your pins. When I talk about pins, they are regarded as the bread and butter of Pinterest marketing. When creating your pins, you need to make sure that they are visually appealing and make use of high quality images. You need to use keywords in your pin descriptions and also make sure that your pins are SEO friendly. Tip number 4, join group boards. Group boards are regarded as most effective way to get your content to the presence of a larger audience. Whenever you're actually joining group boards, make sure that your group boards are relevant to your niche, have an audience that is engaging, and also have a strict rule on what can be posted on the group boards. You can also create your own group board and then have other influencers, other blog writers, and lot more to join your group boards. Tip number 5, track your analytics. Tracking your analytics is very essential to your success when it comes to Pinterest affiliate marketing. Pinterest analytics can tell you what is wrong and what is not wrong when it comes to analyzing your boards, analyzing your pins, and also their performances. When you have access to this detail, you can then adjust your strategy alongside. You can track things like your monthly performance, your top viewers, and then your most performing pins. This way, you can start creating more pins that are related to this particular pin that is rated as your top performing pin based on the information that you have gotten from the analytics. So it is also good that you should track your analytics so that you can be ahead of the competition when it comes to Pinterest affiliate marketing and earning commissions from this process.